Shalom, Ozark Geek here. Well, it's not anywhere near spring, but the spring projects have started. Today I topped off the raised bed a little bit more with some compost and manure, bringing it back up level. It settled about 3 to 4 inches so far over the winter. So I'm gonna bring it up and let it set some more. And one of our brothers was over here today, and most of y'all have seen my videos on the hydroponics system. As I said when I started, this is an experiment. The nice thing about calling it an experiment is if it works, wonderful, you've been blessed. If it doesn't work, you learn something, or at least you should. And what I learned last year was I don't think this was adequate coverage for the sun. And what started off really good, we had lots of plants growing, ended up with nowhere near the harvest I'd hoped for. And the problem is the water got too hot. I have 2 50-gallon barrels that were here that were sitting above ground, and the water temperature in the barrels got to be about 120 plus, and that's not conducive, and I couldn't cool it down. So this year I'm gonna start, surprising enough, we don't have frozen ground here. I'm gonna bury these about 3 foot, maybe a little bit more in the ground, and once I get the bottom leveled off, then I'm going to take some of this dirt that we pulled out and fill in around. And the idea is to let the ground itself cool the water as it cycles. So that's kind of the game plan. We'll see how that works out this summer. But I'm going to replumb everything just like I had before. I had a half horsepower sump pump in the bottom of each of these, and it did a good job of cycling water, so that part worked. So the water cycle, the way I've had the system, the water cycle worked, but it was just too darn hot. And so then, since we had the backhoe over here, brought over a couple more bucket loads of gravel, and I'm going to spread this gravel out, level everything off, and then I'll put these cinder blocks back down in groups of 4, probably too high to have 2 layers of IBC totes in a 4 square, so I'm going to have a total of 8 IBC totes at 275 gallons a piece. That'll be 2,500 gallons. So that should be enough water for the garden and for backup and to share. And then I got permission that all this area, some of you may not be a lot, for me it is, from the hydroponic system down to the side of the raised bed all the way down to this post. I'm going to till that and then put an additional garden in there, and probably a little bit more of a garden on the other side of that tree. And hopefully we'll be able to get that worked up and planted this spring. That's the game plan anyway. Where it works or not, I don't know, but that's the game plan. So, short video. Hope you guys like it. That's our plans for the spring, going into spring. Enjoying a beautiful sunset, and 2 more projects here I'll show you. I've got 2 very long VHF antennas that I've patched one of them already, and the copper antenna will be a 6-meter Slim Jim. I've got to finish it up, set up the coax connection for it, and complete that, but it's pretty much on its way. Again, Ozark Geek out. Shalom.